Hi, I'm Jim Pinkham at MarineMax Lake Norman, 704-997-2168. Let's look at a 2021 Sea Ray 250 SLX. Started on the back of the 250 SLX. It has this extended swim platform with a submersible swim deck that's underneath. Nice large rear seating. Plenty of cup holders. United States flag. This is the gray interior. Dual helm seats with flip-up bolsters. Dual Simrad touchscreen chart plotters. Fusion stereo system. Nice large head, plenty of seating room, headroom, little glove box. Has the bow filler cushion, removable, ample seating in the front, more stereo speakers. Grab handles are down below the rub rail. Very nice, good detail on the seats with upholstery. This has the windlass anchor and chain. And this will conclude the walkthrough on the 2021 250 SLX. Come by and see me. I'm Jim Pinkham at MarineMax Lake Norman, 704-997-2168. Be glad to show you this Sea Ray or any of the others that we carry in our inventory. Thanks.